Hey everyone, my name is Michele Zandman Frankel and I am your at-home personal nutritionist. Today we are going to be cooking a RevolutioniZe original recipe, the Spinach and Feta breakfast casserole. Let's get cooking, because I'm hungry. This breakfast recipe is an outstanding one. It'll give you 12 servings to last the week. You can make it in bulk, and I prefer replacing whole eggs with egg whites for a lower fat option. You can absolutely make this with whole eggs, but personal preference. I'm gonna go with egg whites today. Chop chop. All right, so let's chop up our grape tomatoes, because we're gonna use grape tomatoes today instead of plum tomatoes. Alrighty then. Forget how therapeutic cooking can be. Some people hate it. All right, so as I said before, we're gonna be using egg whites today. Good thing about cooking is you can be creative and you can tweak the recipe the way you desire it. It takes a long time to come out. Add 2 cups of milk. I went with 1% for this one. Shake everything. Oh, it's splooged. We're gonna go with a ½ cup of heavy cream. We've got chopped scallions. We're gonna take the little butts off, little scallion butts. And we're gonna go with 3 scallions chopped. Chop them, chop them, chop them, chop them. So we're gonna mix these suckers in. Tomatoes. Let's get the tomatoes up in here. Always make sure to wash your hands before cooking. Yes, we don't want no nasty hands up in here, do we? Randy, did you wash your hands today? You did? Proud of you. We're gonna dump in some feta, because feta makes everything better. Everything's better with feta. You can do this with other types of cheese as well. If you don't like feta, you could do it with anything your heart desires. Goat cheese, mozzarella cheese. Who's gonna yell at me for the way I pronounce that? Goat cheese would be good in this one, actually. Do we have a whisk? We're gonna mix all of our ingredients together in happy harmony. Oh, it's so colorful. That's a nice color. We're gonna sizzle these. Yes. Let's add a cup of spinach until it is wilted. Cool. Let's pour it in. Ooh. We're gonna add some salt and pepper to taste, as much as you please. Be creative. And now it is time to pour the goods. Let's pour it in. To our dish. Oh my goodness. Make sure the cheese is evenly dispersed. And we're gonna pop this in the oven. Really careful transferring this into the oven. Our oven is preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and this shit is gonna taste delicious. We are taking it out of the oven. Oh my God. Would you just look at it? Oh my Lord. Oh. I'm very excited about this. Very excited about this. It could be approximate. I'm not gonna sit here with a ruler. Right. Yum. Let's sprinkle with a little scallion for garnish. And here we go. You can add hot sauce to this. Don't be afraid. I was right. This shit tastes delicious. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as I do, and we'll see you next time. Stay hungry.